What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, we are doing my makeup for my ID photos. So this is what I went for. I did a little bit more dramatic than my daytime, of course, because I want everything to really pop for the photo. So I focused a lot on the lips, the eyes, and the contour, I guess. So yeah, if you guys want to see this look, then let's just get started. What's up, you guys? Today we're about to do my ID photo because your girl lost her ID in Vegas. Oh my god, like literally you guys are seeing this the day before I upload, or the day of upload. Anywho, yeah, so I need to get a new ID ASAP. I was like, you know what, let me film this, and that way I'm not too late on my uploads, because your girl has a whole vlog to edit and that's just gonna take too long. So we're gonna do my makeup for my ID photos. I actually only have about 20 minutes to get ready. And why not show you guys what I do to do my makeup so that we can take a fire photo? Because we're gonna have that for about 5 to 10 years. I don't really know what's the year limit. I think it's like 5 to 10 years. It's a long time, and you wanna make sure that you have a good photo, okay? This is what we're starting off with. I obviously have zero makeup on, but I do have my skincare, which, you guys, my skin has been doing pretty good lately. I'm just wearing this charcoal top that I got from Zara. Honestly, it's been my favorite. Just posted an Instagram photo with it. And then I'm wearing these, I guess charcoal is what I think the color is, but they're the charcoal sweats from Youngla. It's the After Dark collection, and they're the joggers. They are restocking, you guys. So they're restocking on the 10th of this month, 10th of October. So I think this video should be out before that. So definitely use my code Keisha, and there's a bunch of other things restocking as well. I can put a photo here for you guys. With an ID photo, you kind of do have to, if you want it to look a certain way, you kind of want to make it a little heavier in certain areas. Like my lips, I'm probably gonna do a little bit bigger than normal. So just an FYI, because I do like to accentuate my lips especially. And yeah, I'm just cleaning up because I didn't realize my foundation spilt in my bag, my makeup bag, since I was back from Vegas. Yeah, you guys, so the only thing that I'm like freaked out about is obviously my IDs and my cards. Obviously I had to shut that ish down ASAP. So we did that, but someone is just rocking out with a Chanel-y, and I'm so jealous. First things first, I'm gonna use the Unseen sunscreen. This is by Supergoop. I like the consistency because it's like a very pore covering primer and also sunscreen. So I like to put it in the middle of my face. Like that. With my fingers, I'll just like push it into the skin. Just focusing on the middle of my face, honestly. That's where I see the most pores. I want to listen to music, you guys. Actually, I think I could put music on my ear, but then also I probably should pay attention to the time, and if music's in my ear, you never know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna listen to music. Mariah the Scientist, should we? Yeah, no, Low Shimmy, that's a good one. So I actually went to the ID office yesterday, and I thought because I had taken my photo very recently before I lost my ID that I could just, you know, get it replaced, no problem, don't need to take a photo. So I went like looking like complete, yeah, not great. And the gentleman at the counter was like, okay, get ready for your photo. I was like, oh, I have to take a photo. He's like, yeah. And I was like, I'm gonna have to say no to this. I'm gonna come back tomorrow though. He was like, are you sure? And I was like, yeah. For real. For foundation, I'm using the Hydro Grip Gel Tint, and this is in number 8. For some reason, so this is the one that exploded in my makeup bag. It's like, wait, did you guys even see me do that? You guys, I don't know what's going on with my camera, but for some reason, it literally doesn't even press the button, and I guess it just stops recording, and it doesn't even save the recording. So I had already put on this foundation. It's the Hydro Grip Gel Tint in number 8. I did kind of put a lot, I guess, because I was trying to re-record it, and it still didn't go through. So I'm like, you know what, I don't even have time to take this off. Like I said, I only have less than 20 minutes to get ready for this ID photo. So I just put the foundation all over, and because I put so much, I'm just going in with a beauty blender and taking off. But normally I would just be applying it with the brush and I'd be fine. It's just I applied way too much trying to re-record this. Eyebrows, I'm going in with a pencil. This is just from Benefit. And then the other eye. Eyebrows, we did a little bit more dramatic than usual. I'm taking the NARS Creamy Concealer in Crema Catalana, and I'm just going to carve my eyebrows. Just blending it out. I'm gonna go in with this palette here and just put on some like warm shadow. Just brushing the whole eyelid with it, just to, I guess, give it something. And then I wanted to add this shadow brush here. It's like a flat brush. I'm just gonna add the darkest color there. And this is where like I put the cat eye type of vibe. It's just gonna go near the end, right here, near the lash line. That's all I'm doing. I will add this brow glue, but I'm gonna wait till I spray my face. So we're gonna just move on to the rest of our face. So concealer, I do need to get some today. Maybe I'll grab some at Sephora. This is the Tower 28. I love this stuff. It's actually really nice. Oh, look at that. See, I took it off with my finger. Tower 28, and I believe this is IE or number 6 or something. And then this is where I'm gonna really tweak it with the concealer to lift my eye right there. And that's all I'm putting on. I'm gonna add She's That Girl from Patrick Ta, just the creamy blush. And I'm gonna put that with just a Sephora foundation brush that I got from like the VIV Rouge. It's like my favorite brush for blush especially. And it's quite dramatic, but I think once we blend everything out, it'll look really good. This is the Hourglass foundation, and I use a very dark color so I can use it as contour. It's 14.5. Sorry, not very dark color. It's just like a darker color than my skin tone. That, and down here as well. And then the nose. We're gonna warm up the face, blend everything out before I blend my concealer. Starting from the bottom. This will help with our chin shadow. Then I'll do the perimeter. Then the nose. Now I'm gonna blend out the concealer, but I'm gonna blend out with a brush. Just going in and blending everything out once again with the different brushes that I used. So this is the contour brush, then the blush brush. I'm gonna go in with this concealer, the Hourglass concealer in Sienna. It's like my foundation color. So I'm just gonna use that just to cover this acne scar here. Okay, now that the face is all blended, I'm gonna go ahead and bake my under eyes. This is the Huda Beauty. I love this, but it's just so messy. And I'm gonna take a little puff, what do you call these, a powder puff, and bake under my eyes. And the forehead. The rest, I just like to pat it in the skin. But majority of the product will go under my eye and on the nose. I'm gonna go in with the Studio Fix in NC42. This is a bit darker than my foundation shade, so it'll be nice to just add on to my contour. And also set it. I'm gonna take the same thing, a Studio Fix powder, but just a lighter shade. This will just go all over our skin. This will just give us extra coverage, but also blend in our skin tone color. And I'm gonna brush away the translucent powder. With the puff, I'm just gonna go in with the side that I didn't powder, and I'm just gonna push it into the skin, try to take off any excess powder on the face, but also push all the powder into my skin. After I push that all into the skin, I think I'm pretty much ready to set my face. So I like to set with 2 sprays. I love to combine the airbrush setting spray by Charlotte Tilbury, and this one like makes your skin look like skin. So we're gonna do that. And then I love to combine it with the One Size On Till Dawn and mattifying waterproof spray. Perfect. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Crazy Lift Brow Glue. And I'm gonna put this on my eyebrows. I like to go in with a spoolie to brush it down, but it'll keep everything in place. Okay, now lips. I'm gonna go in with Brownie Pie. And then I'm gonna go in with the Butter Gloss by NYX. This is Bit of Honey. And then this is the Fortune Cookie. Give it an ombre. Or should I do creme brulee? I'm gonna add some bottom mascara, and I think that's pretty much our makeup. I'm actually running very behind, so I have to go, but let me know what you guys think. It is a little bit dramatic. It is a lot of bit dramatic actually for the daytime, but I feel like it will look really good on camera. So you guys are gonna see, I'll probably post a little after photo here if I do have one. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you do want to see any more videos from me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. But yeah, you guys, this was my ID makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.